Hello, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In front of me I have HONOR Magic8 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to use multi-window dock on this device. Before using it, ensure the feature is active. Let's open settings and you want to go to section HONOR AI, and now under the section AI services you want to tap on Magic Sidebar. So please enable this feature right here. And now how to open this dock basically. So you want to be in any application that you want. It could be any other application beyond gallery. You want to swipe inward from the left or right side, and you want to hold it for about 1 second, and you will see small bar on the right side of the screen. So when the dock is open, you have two main ways how we can use the applications inside. The first option is floating window and the second one is split screen. So if you want to use floating window, simply tap application icon and it will be opened in small movable window. So you can resize it like this, you can move it around, and additionally you can shrink it to this picture-in-picture window. Okay, and the second option that you have is split screen. To use split screen, you have to long press an icon and you have to drag it to the top or to the bottom of your phone. As well, you can resize it. So that is basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.